Hi friends, if you are facing this problem, your hardware settings have changed, please reboot your computer for these changes to take effect. For this, I will show you how to solve this. Simply go to the run, here type services.msc and then press enter. It will open services window. In the services window, need to find AMD external events utility. Select and again go to the properties. Here startup type by default it will set as automatic and make it disable. Then apply it and service status has been started. You need to stop it and then restart your system. Your problem will be solved. Okay, thank you.